from HOOHA. Now we will be introduce our 50 extrusion lines for mask wires for use, special for mask wires used to Russia. This is payoff. This is threading. This is the main machine. And this is adjustable press head, and then you can use different kind of size for the mask wires for use. This is active water tank. This is control boxes. As you see, this is our label. As you can see, anytime you can contact us in our website and our email and contact information for WhatsApp and WeChat. This is a PLC. As you see, this is a Siemens. Okay, the system also Siemens to ensure 100%. Now, as you see here is a fixed water tank. This is accumulate. All these details we have ready to confirm. Your hand you can touch anytime. It's not hurt your hand. It's very important. And you see, this is a pulley. It's very good for mask wire making. And this is a big pulley for capacitor. Also more smaller because it's more suitable for mask wire for making use. Here is the meter count. Meter count, we do some special design. It's more suitable for the mask cable making use. This is a take-up. Take-up, this is a panel, control panel, and this is a shaft for take-up. And that's all. Any wire and cable making machine are always contacted with us. And also for the mask wire making solutions, you're always contacted with us. This is Jack from HOOHA. Thank you.